uncle makes fragrances at your mom's house.
But I still pulled through in it.
Hey, drop that.
See?
Talk to him, gang. Hold on. This that motherfucker, ain't it? Fuck you, nigga. Bitch ass. Oh, hey! We're going. How you been? Man, you acting like me now, man. Oh, shit, man. Hey, let me see that real quick. Let me see that too.
You wanna come with me, Flynn?
Bro, who asked you to stall on that bit, boy? Bro, what the fuck, boy? This shit silly as fuck, motherfucker. Bro, hey, bro. You gotta stop taking pictures of my shorty like that, man. You gonna burn out too? Doing all that and not get on the camera. Okay, now we talking.
Oh, no shit, donations?
Nigga pants is big. Damn, no, turn the light on. Gotta turn the light on. Hey, ops. Look, what's up, man? I know you know me now.
Damn, man.
Hey.
And he's only 14.
Hey. Hey. Yeah, this a new intro in this bitch, man. Yeah, man, you already know what the fuck going on, man, by the title, man. We finna go slide with a big ass truck. You feel what I'm saying, man? Hey, look, I don't know why they doing all that, cause they going home, bro. They lame as hell, though. You see what I'm saying? Look at this nigga, look. He the main nigga supposed to be going. And his ass.
Look, it's alright though. I'm gonna be out there.
I don't got no
Scat, why, bye?
I don't got no excuse for my absence. I'll be there later on.
Hey, you got something for the video? You got something I can pour on grease cup or some shit? Nigga threw a cup in my goddamn car.
Bro, we not doing it no more, bro. Real.
Part 2 on the way.
Hey, nigga, part 3, nigga. You already did 2 parts.
Then what she said.
Shut up, fucker, knock your ass.
Look at this nigga, bro. Nigga looking at video cause he can't go. You see the type of shit? Hey, turn y'all light on. Yeah, talk to. Look at this nigga. When a nigga sad cause he can't got nothing come to the car meet. When a nigga sad. Look, ain't nothing but car. Look, they telling y'all how to go, goddamn. Check my boy out with the fucking carbon fiber shit, man. Look at this nigga with the Infinity here, bro. You hold that bitch. Shit. Yeah, we in the heart. Look at the Infinity, motherfucker. They get with him. We gonna get with him.
We are.
Hey, where the car meets at?
You saying shit? I think it's over here. Oh, yeah. Let me see that. Yeah. Fuck y'all talking about, man.
I told you.
Fuck y'all talking about, man. Yeah. 24 hours, mode. Why they not playing?
Call me.
GTA Get jackass, then find the right spot, man.
But I still pulled through in it. I said Pleasant Hill tonight.
Yeah. Hey, look at that yellow fucking caddy though, man. That bitch got a motherfucker on there, man.
Oh shit.
Damn. You see that bitch? That like the shit that we made on GTA. Man, what? Probably. No cap. Look at that boy rim.
It's not even your goal.
It's not your goal. Hey, we're going. Look at that nigga. He ready to get hit. That boy ready to get hit. Took a picture.
Am I gonna get ran over?
5. That gonna be the thumbnail. That nigga gotta be the thumbnail. Look at that yellow motherfucker though, man. Oh God, that nigga cool ass.
It look like it's a bunch of goddamn Caucasians.
Nigga said Caucasian. What you say, nigga? What you say, nigga?
I don't see no black fool.
It's a hello black fool. I know you see them nigga right there. Boy, right there. Right there. He dead, boy. On the bakers, man.
This cat like nigga would never came down quick.
Hey, stop playing.
I gotta find a little duck off spot. I was just about to say it there right.
Nah, bro, go drive around right quick. The nigga ain't trying to walk over there.
What? Fuck with him.
I don't think we gonna make it through.
Hey, I can park right there.
Nigga said we gonna make it through.
Check him out. Check him out.
Right here.
Where?
The car in front of us, I think.
The little gray motherfucker?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, it's a bitch. It's a little bitch with some gray shit on.
I ain't gonna lie.
You see these 5-0s and shit. I think these niggas, like, done bought the whole BP, man. Check this shit out. Woohoo! Look at that blacked out, tinted out, bust around looking at that bitch, man. And, hey, Rock, he got your tattoo on that motherfucker.
He recording. Nigga.
Hey, no cap. Look at that. Look at that. That act. That motherfucking act, man. Y'all ain't even seen no act before, man. Oh, let me put this motherfucker on. Oh, that boy count. That boy count. Stop playing. Oh, I had the rims on that motherfucker, man. Y'all see that ugly ass that bitch wet, what? That bitch wet. Say, my boy, hit that bitch one time. Yo, fuck with him. Look at this. Ooh, hold on. Where my phone ski at? Where my phone ski at, man? Oh, that boy dirty as hell, though. That boy dirty as hell, though. Stop playing. My dream right here. My dream. I got the 392. I got the 392. Say, my boy, hit that motherfucker real quick, man. Come on, bro. Show him what you got, man. That 3.0 motherfucker, man. Man. Say, go ahead, fuck with me. Fuck with me. Big 4L, you know what I mean? Too friendly, nigga. Look at that stone, boy. That stunner motherfucker.
Nigga look in the wood. Nigga look in the wood.
Hold up, bro. You got IG? Yeah, go ahead, bro. My boy, what's your name, man? Uzi. Man, look, Uzi work, man. Hold on, let me type my shit in, man. Go put your IG. Hey, I ain't even seen the Q50, man. I ain't even see the Q50, man. I ain't even see the Q50. Cuz, I don't know why we came through this bitch. Oh, that boy about to hit him. 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 That nigga about to hit him. My boy, fuck with me. Yeah. What you got, man? That be hard, bro.
This is Sony A7i.
Oh shit, you gonna let me shoot with that bit real quick?
Shit.
What's your IG, bro? Give my shit real quick. What you got right there?
I got you, bro.
Oh, you got a drone?
How you been, bro?
Man, you acting like me now, man. Fuck with me. Oh shit, man. Fuck.
Hold on, bro. Damn, I didn't record
Nigga acting like me, got up. Nigga scared hell. Take your piss ass in there, nigga. Get out the stove.
Nigga, I ain't finna go in there, bitch. You wanna come with me, flame?
What do you mean by that?
You need help or something, nigga? Yo, hold on. Yo. Forward him. Hey, come up. Woo. That be hot. Got the lights like the motherfucking, what you call it?
That the LGBT light, ain't it?
Nah, that the motherfucking, what you call, Black Rider. Okay. Man, shit, this bitch, man. What y'all know, man? Look. We in this bitch for real, man. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? Hey, bro, who own this bitch, bro? Bro, you own this bitch? Who own this bitch, bro? Who? You own this motherfucker? No, man. This motherfucker straight out of GTA, ain't it? That was silly, bro. Look at the pearl on that bitch. How much diamonds you got on this motherfucker? God damn, man. The hell? Hey. How much you pay for these at Los Santos? Niggas said what you pay for Los Santos. Why they more stupid hard? They more dumb. Little baby, ain't it? You stole this shit from Little Baby, ain't it? Hey, bro, you gotta get my shit, bro. I ain't gonna count. What you call it?
Spicy mustard.
Go ahead, type. Man, that's you, ain't it? That's you for sure. It be hard, bro. Bro, you gotta let me drive that bitch one day, bro. Like for real, bro.
Yeah.
This bitch stupid.
I don't know, man. I've been out all day, son.
Bruh, we late as fuck. So being out here at 7, ain't it?
Yo, I appreciate that, yo. That's me right there.
Alright, bet. I'm finna send you my shit.
Plug. Appreciate
Man, that shit hard, bro. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go follow my boy, man. You see me? You see me? Look at that vet. All types of shit, man. All types of shit in that vet, man. Huh? Look at this nigga, man. Look at this nigga, man. Look at these niggas, man. These niggas silly ass with a back window down, the front window up and shit. What you got right here, man? What you got right here, man? Boy, I got the red Yoda seat, boy. You done fucked some shit in here, ain't it? God damn, man. Hold on, bro. Stop playing with that Batman, motherfucker. Boy, ain't no more beamers in this bitch. My boy, what the fuck you got going on, man? You seen that caddy over there, man?
Yeah, bro.
But that bitch is dumb.
The cat?
That bitch caddy right there, bro. I know you see that yellow motherfucker over there.
I didn't even see that shit, bro.
Bro, you didn't see it, bro. Come on, bro. I gotta show you that bit, bro. I gotta show you. You been here all day, bro.
I just got here.
For real?
Yeah.
Man, I'm late too, bro. I'm late as hell. Yeah. Yeah, what you thinking on it? Yeah. Stop playing, bro.
Hey, bro, that's how people are in it.
Man, that bitch straight out of Los Santos, bro. Fuck you talking about? Come look at it, bitch, bro. Look at the paint on that motherfucker.
Bro, this shit tight.
That shit dumb. This shit dumb. You ain't never won a caddy before this, did you?
Look, bro, it says caution. This vehicle makes
Oh.
at your mom's house.
Boy, wagon mafia for real. Bro, that shit hard, bro. Man, hold on, man. I ain't even see this bit, man. What the fuck? Man, that boy got the carbon fiber jacks on that bit. Oh yeah. Y'all see the bag? Y'all see the motherfucking badge on that bit, man? My boy hard with it. Ooh. The sleek wet, boy. Oh yeah. You know I had to put the Honda in that bit. Had to put the Honda in that bit. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. That shoe right here. But that shoe right here, bro. Hold on. Let me try something real quick. Oh, can't even be fought with. Can't fuck with him. That bitch dumb. And that bitch clean as a bitch. That bitch too hard, man. Hold on. They got rock car in there, bitch. You know they had rock car in there, bitch. They got rock car in there, bitch, man. They cammed out, motherfucker. Look at this bitch, though. Oh, that bitch wet. Not you with the sexiness, man. That bitch too hard. Say, what you got going on, bro? Bro, you suicide ass dog, bro. You got the red period blood seats in this bitch. God damn, man. God damn. Yeah, now, play. Oh. Hey, who this is right here, bro? Who this is right here?
That's me.
That's you? Man, I'm finna come check this bitch, man. What the fuck? Hold on, bro. Big ass bit on this bitch. Stop playing. That boy too hard. No bumper gang over here.
Yeah,
Bro, we just seen this bitch too, goddamn. This shit hard. Hold on, bro. Shit too hard. Boy got an alternator in the back. Oh yeah, Civic gang, Integra gang. Where all the Civic folks at, man? Or that QAQ. Stop playing with that boy. Say, man, who this is right here? Inside, god damn, nigga. This nigga got a fucking size of the motherfucking, I don't even fucking know, bruh. God damn, man. Hey, bruh. Bro, who asked you to stole on that bitch, bruh? Bro, what the fuck, boy? This is silly as fuck, my boy.
Beyonce knows.
Man, what? But it's her left cheek and the right cheek, boy.
I need all that.
Boy, god damn. Hey, hold on, bruh. I can put my whole shit in here, boy. Oh. Yeah, y'all sit right here, man. You feel me? That bitch dumb, bro. Get my Instagram, bro. You need that shit.
I got you.
But that bitch stupid.
Yeah, bro, appreciate it.
Damn, bro, you got too much motherfucking ass on there.
Hey, bro, I thought I need more,
This
bro.
probably the hardest accord I've seen, bro.
Hey, man. A lot of people don't know it's a chord, but you root for that.
Man, you know this.
Yeah,
Hey, you know this. Be safe, bro. Man, hey, what you got right here, my boy? What you got right here? What's going on with you? What's going on with you, man? You got the rims on that bitch tucked up. This bitch just gonna stay like this? That's the only, tell him again.
The only way to do it.
Yeah, stop playing with him. That boy in there. That boy in there. Damn, bro, you on bags or something?
Hell no.
Straight stance like this?
Exactly.
God damn, nigga. You wanna work on my car?
Hell no.
Hold on, huh?
For a car back, so I
Who her? I got you.
like, I just tried to get you that long in the chair.
Hey, god damn, nigga. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna have to look at all this shit real quick, bro. I ain't gonna even lie to you, bro. This motherfucker too hard. God damn.
Yeah, get out.
You done with it?
Bro,
You done with it? Man, shawty. God damn, the ass on this bitch. Woo! Woo! Why, stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. Say, bro said, can you move like a little bit back so he can move up? Bro, I ain't gonna cap. This you? This shawty you too? Bro, shawty bad with the car, bro. How the fuck she get like that, bro?
I'm trying to find out.
Man, that motherfucker too sexy, man. Ah, damn, you already gave her your mom one time?
I just got the Instagram.
Hey, it is.
Nigga, you better work your magic. Nigga,
Man, what?
hey, share.
You know this. That boy on it. Hold on. Say. You gonna let me get you? Damn. You want me to let you get your Instagram or some shit like that? Cause I like to paint on this bitch and all types of shit in this bitch. God damn, my boy. Hold on, I'm coming, bitch. I ain't even lying to you. Like, god damn. Hold on, bro. What you doing with the roof? What you got going on with the roof? Ooh. Be safe. My boy, what's going on? Let me clean your windshield, man. Oh, stop playing with that nigga. Stop playing with that nigga. Ooh. Man, what you got? You got a computer going on, ain't it, my boy? What you hit? That bitch hit it. Hold on, let me get back here real quick. That boy got that earth shaking in his hoe. No, I had to come through with this bitch. Man, what the fuck? Hey, bro, what you got going on, my boy? What you got going on, my boy? They the peanut butter seats on that hoe. You done whack somebody's ass in this bitch, ain't it? God damn, man. What the fuck? One more. God damn, man. Bro, this shit too sexy, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. I wouldn't even drove this bitch today. I had this bitch towed over here. God damn, hold on. This that motherfucker, ain't it? Hold on. Golly, boy. That boy not playing. Damn, that motherfucker plastic dude. Say, bro, get my IG real quick. That motherfucker too hard. Hey, y'all go hit my boy up, man. What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say? You approve this bitch? For sure, ain't it? Out of all these bitches out here.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Man, you know this. Without him being your boy, what you think?
Yeah, it's hard.
That shit too hard.
Too hard.
Just like Lil Baby said.
Yeah.
It be too hard.
That's stock 340. What about that?
Oh, yeah, hey, what you think about this, though?
No, what you think about that?
Oh, that motherfucker. Hey, who in that motherfucker?
Huh?
Who in that motherfucker?
That's him right there.
Ooh, champion.
Yeah.
Say, my boy, this you? That? Yeah. Come on, man. Come over here, man. Come on, follow with me, man. Man, look. Hey, go follow my boy, too, man. You already know. Say, man. What's up with y'all and these motherfuckers, man? I already seen that bitch on the way. I got that nigga first, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. I was like, God damn. Hey, you got some food, bro? Hey, let me see that real quick. Let me see that too. I got you, bro. Look, watch this shit, bro. Hold this shit real quick. Check me out. Point that shit over. Hey, bro. Y'all with me? Being nice. Hey, come on, follow me, cuz.
Let's go.
Stop playing with your boy. Stop playing with your boy, man. Hey, you trying to eat? You trying to eat with me? Good over there. Good. Them all too hard. Hey, bro, who food it was, bro? You want to see the carbon on that bitch? Tell me something what happened, man. Come on, man. Hey, bro, I'll check that 5-0 real quick. I'll check that 5-0 real quick. Hey, bro, what the fuck? This bitch too clean, bro. It's straight out the lot, ain't it? It's straight out the lot, ain't it? Man, stop playing with me, man. That boy done with it, man. Y'all see the twins on that hoe, man. Yeah, y'all see the twins on that hoe, man. That bitch ain't on nothing. That bitch slow as hell. Tell y'all something, man. That bitch slow. Hey, man, that boy Yo is not playing. That boy Yo is not playing, but check the meat on that bitch, boy. Stop playing. Your hoe don't want no smoke. Oh, shit, my boy. My boy, where you going? This my bitch, man. Where you going? You finna go already? Man, that's my dream right here, bro. Drive safe, bro. Hey, where the scat dude went, man? Where you went, bro? This you, ain't it? You ain't gonna get on the video with the again, man? Come on, bro.
I told him to shut it down, man.
Real. Oh, he burnt out, that what? Damn, bro. Damn.
Bring that bitch up. He ain't let me burn that bitch up.
Damn, bruh. I ain't even talking about a burnout though. I just want to hear that bitch. Man, hit that motherfucker, man. Walk to him. Talk to him, man. Talk to him. Talk to him, man. Y'all know about this bitch, man. Yeah. Shaking in that bitch. What you say?
Hey, tell him to do a burnout, he'll do it.
He not. He can't no more. Get on this Civic right here, man.
Go ahead. Nobody's in it.
Nobody in that bitch. Damn. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Look. What you got right here? What you got right here? Boy, I got the hood pins for the back tail, boy. Stop playing that Mugen motherfucker. Oh. Boy, got it. Fuck it. You feel me? Ugh. Y'all ain't never seen no wet ass Civic, man. Never. Look at that motherfucking lights in there, hoe, man. That boy ain't even done, man. That boy not even done. Yeah, you see them pits? You see them pits? That boy not playing with him. See that cat on that bitch, man. Woo. Stop playing with him, bruh. Hey, hold on, bro. Where the fuck you been, bro? God damn, I need your clips too, man. Get my shit. Damn. Too many damn in that bitch. Damn, nigga. Say, bro, who in that motherfucking own scat pack, man? Damn, I thought it was you, bro. I'm like, goddamn, you know, I thought you goddamn, you know, goddamn, you look like you own that motherfucker while you playing. Shit. That motherfucker too hard. Oh, he in that motherfucker too. He in that motherfucker too. Hit it one more time. Who did that? Hit it one more time, man. Come on over here, bro. Come on over here, bro. Yeah, y'all see that bitch? Hey, fuck you, nigga. Bitch ass hoe. Feel me? Hey, bro. Where you get that McDonald's car from, bro? This bitch straight out the lot, ain't it? God damn, boy. Turn that bitch on, man. You can't do that double start shit? When they gonna turn on? That boy stupid. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Hey, we can steal that bitch now, man. We can steal that bitch for sure, bro. Come on, bro. Hell, you talking about that? Been cut off, bro. You out of gas already? Shit, man. Hey, bro, you see that McDonald's motherfucker? That limited edition McDonald's shit. No cap. Hey, bro, I fuck with that arm though. I ain't gonna cap. 5 shit. Hold on, bro. Who this is right here? This you? This you, ain't it? This ain't you. Who this is, man?
Oh, man.
Bro, that loyalty crew, ain't it? That loyalty crew not playing with these folks, bro. They ain't playing with these folks, bro. Y'all see the rims on that bitch? Damn, that boy too clean out here. Hold on, bro. I gotta come check your G2, bro. Hey, you talking about, bro? That boy got a big motherfuckers on that bitch, man. You see that motherfucker, man? Hold on, bro. This you, ain't it? Yeah. Man, come on, man. You see the pearl on that bitch, man? Come on, man. You can't walk away. Look at this shit on that hoe, man. Y'all fuck with him, man. Hey, bro, you gotta get my IG, bro. That boy got the white pearls on that bitch. Oh, yeah. Y'all didn't even hear that bitch go off. That boy stupid ass car. Look stupid. Hey, you with them crew, too? Sorry? You with the loyalty, too? Yeah. Who that is? This you? This you?
Yeah. These only all 3 hours.
Damn. Get my what you call it, too, man. Yeah. Hey, OG. How that more sound over there, man? You see how I got them looking? You see how I got them looking, man? Look, all them looking lit today. They ain't even scared today. Playing with the game, man. FMB got the dice out today, ain't it? Say FMB. Let me get 2 dices, man. Come on, bro. Man, hold it, man. Hey, bro, you trying to shoot dice real quick? Face shot. You ain't even get that bit.
They got that bit already.
This you? Oh, shit, boy, look at that bit.
Hey, yo, get me on the vlog, man.
Hey, bro. Go follow my boy. Hey, stop playing with him. This you?
No.
Stop lying, bro. Boy, stop playing with that boy. That boy playing. Hey, man, you already know. Yo, never play. Nah, we ain't turn around, bro. We doing it like this.
You gotta. Hey.
Oh shit, police. Hey, ops. Police. Nah, nigga, right there, bro. Them niggas turning in and shit, bro. You know how we got it. This how I end the video up. You feel me? This how I end the video up.
The owner doesn't care, bro.
Word.
Come in, they have to leave. Gas station owner goes push your They come in and fuck off.
Hey, they ain't even going. They ain't even going for it. Whole ass bitch. You applying pressure today, ain't it, man? Boy. Hey, bro, this you?
Yeah.
Bro, why the fuck you didn't tell me that, bro? I'm over here looking for the owner and shit, man. God damn, dude. What you be eating on here, man?
Buffet, boy.
Buffet, ain't it, boy? Top to him, boy. How long you had that bit, man? A year? God damn, boy. You want bags? Bro, that shit too safe, bro. Hey, she trying to pull in and get some gas?
Yeah, bro. You trying to get some
Damn, shot it mad like this?
Yo,
What going?
I don't know why these motherfuckers out here be trying to do all this extra shit.
Talk to
trying
him.
Be motherfucking.
Talk to him, cause we scrapped out all day, ain't it, my boy?
Hey,
Oh, man, you feel me? Stop talking to him nice, man. Hey. Damn, man. Hey, bro. Matter of fact, look, this shit, what you drinking on? You ain't drinking on none, though. See, my boy. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey, bro, you need to see this. Come on. Look at them motherfuckers. Look at them motherfuckers over there. Look. Zoom in right here. Look, I got you. I was trying to help. Look.
Oh,
bitch.
what? Okay.
Look at that bitch.
Okay.
Damn, they got the
and
bike
you got
on
the
that
focus
bitch.
on that motherfucker.
Man, what?
Okay, what?
You know we built
what?
different, man.
What? Hold on.
We built different.
Yeah, no,
Look at the next one. RCF. They had super fly motherfuckers.
See, all right, bet. So I'm gonna get one. So then we got 2 angles.
That's straight.
Then we got 2 angles. If I got you recording me, recording you, recording me,
What? What you saying? What you saying? That's a video right there. But we got them. Hey, you dropped that.
See?
That ain't you. Oh, that is you, ain't it?
No, this me.
Nah, I'm talking about a cigarette. I was like, I thought like somebody threw that bitch or
Who
something.
you know with a Grand Cherokee
God
lower?
damn, but talk to him.
Who you know with a Grand Cherokee lower?
Man,
Cuss phrase, you know,
talk to
little
him,
rap
bro.
shit, boy.
Talk to him, bro. What you got in there, bitch? What you got in there,
Boy,
bitch?
inline sacks.
Inline. Motherfucker, V10, ain't it? V10. Man, that's a V10, bro.
Listen, you don't need to worry about what's in the
Hey, you got it. You got it. See, look, you see this right here? Talk to him, bro. You finna be the moderator, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead, talk to him, bro. God damn, boy. Hey, you do something with this bitch, ain't it? You do something with this bitch. You do something with this bitch.
Hey, I got to put my boy in. Teddy T.
Hey, go ahead, do this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I already got him.
Pearl game. You on the Pearl game.
I already got him. You know we different levels, bro. We different levels. Hey, he on different levels, my boy. That boy goddamn turned the motherfucker.
You don't need to worry about what's going on with the legs.
Tell him. Damn. Woo. Straight off the lot too. Bitch, straight off the lot, boy. Hey, what you got right here? Hey, talk to him, gang, yo. Man. Boy, back. Oh, yeah. Brought that RCF out. I see you, man. I ain't missing. Fanatic, too. Stop playing with that boy. What you got going on, man? Chillin', ain't it? Riding slow, ain't it? Yeah. Ooh, man, you got the dream car, man. Stop playing with me, man. Damn. I'm finna lose my voice by today. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That bitch so hard, bruh. I'm feeling it. Talk to him, man. Talk to him, yeah. Talk to him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Talk to him, bro. Hey, that been too hard, bro. Hey, bro, you gotta get my IG, bro. ASAP. Hey, you see what they say? Hey, what it say, bro? Hey, what it say right here? Talk to him. Yeah. Stop playing. Hold on, what it say? What they got going, bro? Hold on, we missing the action? Hold on. Missing the action? Hey, bro, what the fuck? You made me miss the action, bro. God damn, man. Hey, bro. Say, come on, bro.
You want one?
Man, what the hell, bro? Come on, bro.
Come on this side.
Yo, he's not burning out.
Go move it on that side.
Wait. Hey, they ain't talking about. Hold on. Fuck you talking about? Hey, everybody, bro, if somebody said who burnt out, him. Y'all, man. That boy burning straight Pirellis in this bitch.
You see this bad bitch?
Oh,
right
hold on, bro. I got a
bad
dude
bitch?
for you, bro. Hey, Rob. Damn, man. Let me call that nigga, man. Here, take your car video, man. I'm finna call that mother right now, over here.
You know, we out here. We doing it. Oh, hold on. We got We got a special guest in the building.
Shit, man. Fresh
What's
home,
up?
man. Fresh out, man.
What's up? Talk your shit, boy. You better talk your shit.
Going back, nigga.
Talk to him.
Get money for real.
I'm telling you,
Real
hey.
get money, nigga, man.
Talk to him. Hey,
See what I come
not the
on, man.
backboards. Hold on, hold on. Oh,
man. Don't play
that boy not playing with him, man.
Don't play with me,
Hey, you
man.
see what I got on?
Okay, yeah. My boy correct.
You know, he's me right here. This ain't none of them you can wear. You can't wear these. You can't even get them. He stay FMB shoes, my boy. Hey, tell him about these FMB, man. Hey, son, we caught the nigga on the phone, cuz. That nigga on the phone right now. In the car. I was like, why you ain't put on like this sexy and shit?
Get my number, gang. Get my number.
Man, what? You gotta get my IG right now.
Say listen up.
Hey,
Where you at, Rock? Look, I'm gonna give you mine. Follow me real quick, cause I'm about to post something. I'm trying to post some shit. Give me your phone.
yeah. Stop playing. Here, hold it. Motherfucker hard as hell, man. I got you. Hey, yo. I ain't gonna cap try. I want that motherfucker no. I want that motherfucker.
I'm gonna be right back.
You say,
Come smoke the bone with me.
I got you. Look. Hey, man, over here. Show ass nigga. Oh, silly ass nigga. You talking about a pissing and shit. You talking about you gonna pull up and do a whole lot, nigga. You over there hiding and shit. FMB. Where you certified at, nigga? Where you certified? Show y'all something hard. It's you. I'm coming back to you, man. That my boy called too, man. That boy know this. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. You gotta stop taking pictures of my shorty like that, man. Shorty like that. Look at that shorty, goddamn. You gotta just look at it, motherfucker. You feel me? Oh, hold on, bro. They count. Not the count. Not the count. Not the count. Woo. Damn, what? Hey, get that motherfucker. Get that motherfucker. Hey, you wanna hear something? You wanna hear something? You wanna hear something? Bruh. One more time, bruh. Hey. Y'all. Go ahead, stand your ass back down, nigga. Go stand your ass back here, nigga. Stop playing with that boy. That boy too hard, man. That boy too hard, bruh. You see the carbon fiber on that bitch? Hey, nigga got peanut butter seats from back in the old day, nigga. Remo, we ain't playing today, my boy. We ain't playing today. We not playing today. Hey, whole FMB in this bitch, man. You feel me? Say face shot, we're going. Hey, look at this nigga right here though, with the truck. Look what it say on that nigga truck. Hey,
loss before I get free versus yeah, we can tip in with the money in person. I can do it.
Gotta put him on. Gotta put him on. Look at that boy Rock. Yeah. Yeah, Rock. That motherfucker silly as hell. Look at this nigga. Look. Hey, bro, hold on, bro. Matter of fact, look. Watch this shit. Migos, feel me?
Hey, homeboy, get in there. Get in there one time.
Hey, get in there one time, homeboy. You said get in there one more time. Get in there one more time. Throw them bitches up, man. West side, man. Yeah, I'm from the Bandit. Yeah, I'm talking about weak. Oh, that boy got the motherfucker. Hey, cuz, what that nigga head like? That boy not playing with y'all, man. Stop playing with it, boy. Stop playing with it, boy. Hey, Rock, this you right here. Boy, that boy got the earth shaking. My boy, I'm about to take your truck, man. I ain't even gonna cap to you, bro.
I just came outside because somebody was moving my shit.
Yeah, that bro over there. I seen him, man. I seen his ass. I had to show my homie goddamn what you got on the back of that motherfucker. You feel me?
On mama's head, yeah.
Alright, bro. What the fuck? You got some shit I ain't even seen on that bitch before, man. Yeah. Too hard, bro. I got you. Yeah, I got you. My boy, you alright?
Yeah.
This shit straight as fuck, ain't it?
I love F5, bro.
I know, right? That bitch dumb.
Like 100K.
I'm talking about this bitch though, bruh. You see this right here?
It's always straight BMW.
Straight. That's what I'm talking about. I got a Z4, bro. I feel you though. I ain't gonna cap to you. Man, what you got right here, the stain gang? Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with that boy. Woo. Hold on. What you got? Go ahead. Oh shit. But they ain't playing Salim, motherfucker. Yeah. Tell him, OG. Tell him. Hey, send me them clips. Drive safe, bro. You gonna burn out too? Boy, got that shit straight out of Need for Speed Underground 2. Feel me? Straight out of Underground 2. Stop playing with that boy. Look at these niggas, man. These FNB ass niggas, man. These niggas be just bullshitting, lacking and shit. What you found, bro? What you got right here, bro? God damn, man.
We are adventurous motherfuckers.
My boy, take the bike off and let me ride that motherfucker. I'm dead ass serious. Tell him if I'm lying.
Only if you can walk it and run the
Man,
parking lot.
what? Walk it. I'm gonna dance with that bitch, man.
It's a big ass bike though.
I know, I was just bullshitting. Y'all niggas don't know nothing about yo, man. Stop, man. Look. Talk to him. What we doing,
Bro,
my
you
boy?
already know, bro.
What we doing?
Big business in the building.
Big whole lot
Gotta
of
handle business.
Yeah.
And gotta take care of business. And
Yeah.
I gotta go get this footage.
Oh yeah, come on. This bitch too big, goddamn. Roll some dice real quick. Hey, bro, you ain't got no stand on this bitch, bro. This bitch cheap as hell, bro. God damn, nigga. This motherfucker go 45 miles per hour. You over here ain't got no stand, bro. Go hold this shit. We finna throw some dice real quick, bro. Check this out. Throw that motherfucker. Bow. Come on, bow. Hold on. Hey, that nigga thought, man, we finna throw these away, man. These bitches not free no more. That bitch straight out of underground, bro. Straight out of underground. That boy not playing.
No, hold on. Hit it with it. No, hit it with it again. Get the recorder to record.
Bow. Bow. Let me show you. Bow. Stop playing. Hell yeah, bro. What a movie now? Hey, they racing though.
I was thinking, bro, I might need to go, actually go get some footage, bro. I might need to go sit by the road. I'm just, bro.
There go me and you racing. I'm in a RAV4.
RAV4?
Yeah.
The new? Hold on. We gotta do it. All right. So, this you?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So we got the RAV4?
Look, then my dad whip, but my shit in the shop, right? So by the time we meet up again, for sure we gonna have that shit going, you feel me? I know you gonna get them Pirellis on your shit, a little big ass turbo like this big, you know what I mean?
Oh. See, See?
Hey, come
on, man.
Bro, you didn't call me, bro. Look, my boy said he ready to do it. We ready to do it. Man, damn, man. I ain't gonna stop him, shit. We gotta get that shit from police code, shit. What you gonna do? Got it come real. Hell no, boy. Look, I look good. That's it. Hey, you see what them trucks say? Don't look. Bow. You feel me? Booty, pigs only. You feel me? Go check this side out. Lil booty matter. Yeah, it is.
Hey, little booty. Hey, little big booty.
Yeah,
little big booty. Cabron.
¿Qué pasa, homie?
Hey, whoa. Hey, you said a Cash App, a Zelle, or what?
What's up? Talk to me.
Hey, listen, we always taking donations.
See, primo? Oh, no shit. Donations? Get them out here. My boy doing this shit.
Hey, from the RGB.
Yeah.
Not 5C, baby.
Yeah. Talk to him, my boy. Talk to him, my boy. Yeah. Talk to him, nigga. That boy not playing. Put that wheel out. Stop playing with him. What you got, man? EP25. Oh. Yeah. That's how I'm coming. That's you.
Say what?
That bitch gonna beat a scat. That bitch gonna do a scat dirty. For real. That's how I'm coming. You gonna see 2 weeks. 10 days, nigga.
That
for real.
Come on
up, sell this for. I got the E550 already.
That 550? That 550?
550 though.
Say what?
You ain't got no jacket on.
I'm good.
Hey, hold on, man. Look, hey. You didn't even get that G-Lock perfection, you feel me? Stop playing with him. How we rocking, man? How we rocking? Talk to him. How we rocking? How we rocking? We don't rock. Yeah. What? Huh? Say, hold on. You can't be doing all that and not get on the camera. Okay. Now we talking. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, nigga, Jack. Boy, that's my baby one day, boy. You already know I don't do nothing else. Look at the paint on that hoe. That bitch got a mean ass booty. God damn, boy. Y'all ain't never seen no doors inside the door, nigga. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, she's so sexy, boy. Record. Damn, he crashed the bed. He crashed the Hellcat.
These niggas, man. I'm over lockdown, man. Nigga got a piss in this shit. The last one that you did was 30-something minutes. Nigga threatening niggas and shit.
I'm trying to figure out where. Let me out in the red light.
Let me out in
the red light.
Oh, nigga foul, man. You got the middle.
Go ahead, get out. Go piss right up.
Turn over there, the car over there.
You got a piss bag.
Hit that cut right there. I don't give a fuck, bro.
Hurry up. Get it good. Let it go.
That ain't that piss on the way out.
Don't look at that pants.
He pulled the wee woo. Oh shit. Hold on, slow down.
This nigga pissing still. Bro, his pants, bro. Bro, that nigga pants is wet. Oh, God, damn, no, turn the light on, cuz. Gotta turn the light on, cuz. I'm alive, nigga.
Did you piss on yourself?
Yeah, no.
Hold on, bro.
Hey, check this out.
I gotta hurry up.
Oh shit. I'm so glad I caught all that on camera.
Nigga, you just don't know, this shit hurts, bro. This shit
Look at that Bentley. Bentley, chill out. Hey.
Big Bentley not playing with us. Bentley is tripping. Hold on, man. Let me talk to the Bentley real quick, man.
Look at it, man. Y'all ain't never been out of the hood, man. Get the goddamn terminal.
Look, man, then the goddamn where all the trains at, man, you feel me? Not the ones that run on your beat, but you know what I'm saying, the train. Oh yeah, they don't got these over there.
Hey, mulatto out there.
The one we they don't got these.
They trying to pull up on mulatto shit. No,
Ooh, look, that motherfucker big. Hey, man.
My first time seeing the real shit.
Hey, I'm gonna need a little picture for the Facebook.
Yo, Taru.
Right here, yeah.
Yo, Taru. Talking about some city really. Hold on, Taru, you ain't even seen it yet. Yeah, Taru. Yeah. Yeah. This shit look hard though, ain't even gonna
Nigga
count.
city in it, Taru.
Bro, no.
Did the city in it, Taru.
Okay, we gotta go this way.
Hold on, nigga, hold on. Yeah, what we doing today? Follow into it? That's crazy.
Dip home, bro. Oh shit.
Damn, they got a whole roadblock on it.
Oh look, they gonna know them.
That's a scat, man.
Ain't no
What happened? What happened though?
They just hit some. Should we go? We ain't gonna get out.
Hey, the fucking camera on too. Oh, it's a chopper out.
Shit.
It's a chopper out.
Give me a little video.
Oh, hell no. We just ran up into a goddamn high.
Nigga coming up on the left, yo. Put your phone down.
Put your phone down.
You're crazy.
Damn, I ain't never seen him look police.
Elbow, man. Let me see my phone, man.
They got a little baby out here.
Hey, they got somebody out there.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, who is it?
Yeah. He shot dirt.
Somebody's door open up there.
Oh
That's what I was
shit.
saying. Something happened.
Oh
I bet somebody ate shit.
Hey, bro, get that nigga rock.
Oh, some dope mighty dumb man. Hot that hole.
What the fuck? They got the shop out too. Look, they got that undercover.
That shit look.
That undercover.
It's like police in here. What the fuck you flashing like?
Ain't it cool?
I thought that was
Oh, there it is, right there. There it is, right there. There it is, right there.
Go down. Try to go down. Try to go down there.
We can't go that way though. They ain't getting out. Nigga, they waiting on that shit. Look, they got choppers and shit. Choppers and scats. Choppers and scats. That boy Chopper gang not playing up there. Hey, Bill, that shit up there, ain't it?
Yeah.
Turn that shit out.
Hey. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, hey. Better watch your ass. Say.
Watch out, yo.
This nigga right here just started. Oh, car right.
They Georgia State Patrol.
They blocked it off.
Oh, they blocking the way.
Damn. Hey, she still on that shit.
She lit.
You know they ain't got it. They don't give a fuck.
They don't split them nigga Larry's.
Chill out.
Nigga, they ain't no Chicago. We're in Atlanta.
That's why the ambulance ain't here. That boy good.
Rev that motherfucker, man. Come on, bro. I know there's some in there, bro. Can't be riding in a BMW not try to burn no oil. Yeah. I was just playing, bro. Chill out. That's too many out.
Well, pulling up.
Not that handy. You gonna burn out real quick?
Shoot it.
Oh, she got her nigga on the side. Yo ass.
Nigga, what you think I was talking to,
tripping.
nigga? Fuck you think? You gonna talk to the right side hand driver?
Shit, look, the way he looking at your ass. Look at him.
Nigga, I'll rob this shit.
Hey, that makes you look bad.
What I'm talking about? definitely them.
Yeah, they
definitely them.
Yeah, they definitely the house party. Oh God, look how easy it is down the damn street.
Yeah, that damn right here. I just seen it. I just met them. Say, my boy, what happened to the house party? That shit right here, ain't it? Y'all walking to that shit? Alright, bet. Get like me, nigga.
Nah, I was just saying, we know this real shit.
Oh, child, that's how you do it. Y'all know. Y'all know, man. Y'all know.
Yeah, like they deep in fuck, bro.
What? Y'all want a little party, man?
We in dumb parties, dude.
Hey, y'all niggas
Dumb
want a real lit party, man.
Talk to me, talk to me.
I think that shit's dog.
Oh, shit, bro.
Another art gon' drop, shit is about time. Better be about your issue, cause I'm about mine.
Bro, what done happened to your car?
No count, hit that nigga at 4 times. Many niggas ain't really playing no eye. Come around, nigga, clutching, I'm up mine. Macho man, cause he wanna be a tough guy.